In Western culture, negotiation is sometimes considered as going into combat and there's only going to be one winner. In other cultures, people see negotiation as far more cooperative and the parties work together to seek an outcome that is mutually beneficial for both. In other words, a win-win outcome. And that's what we must be doing. Lim, that's spelt L-I-M, is a Chinese businessman I got into a conversation with when we were both stranded at an airport in Sweden due to a heavy snowfall. We got talking about sales and marketing, and Lim was especially interested in talking about negotiation and his strategies. His overriding one was what he calls and I call Lim's Rule. Lim's Rule says there are 3 prices you must have fixed in your mind before going into negotiations. The first starts with the letter L. It's the price he'd love to get and always starts out with. The second starts with the letter I, the price he intends to get and will really fight for. And the third starts with the letter M. It's the price he must get or he walks away. Maybe Lim's Rule will work for you too. It works for me just great.